Metro Sewing Centre introduces the Janome Memory Craftt 5200. The easy-to-use buttons make sewing simple for everybody. The most frequently used stitches are at your fingertips. It has a direct mode to access straight stitch, zigzag and buttonhole. The speed control enables you to slow the machine down to enable you to sew the silky, shiny and stretchy fabrics with ease. Control your length and width with one touch of a button, perfect for applique. It has a clear and easy display. The Start-Stop button enables you to use your machine without the foot control. The needle up and down button enables you to pivot your fabric with ease. The close proximity of the reverse button enables you to reinforce with ease. The lock-in stitch finishes and secures your work. Mode 2 offers over 90 utility stitches, including stretch buttonholes, various blanket stitches, and other quilting stitches. Mode 3 offers a variety of decorative stitches to personalise your garments and projects. Three different fonts are included. These are great for making quilt labels and name tags. The dual lighting system offers bright and clear vision when sewing your projects. The automatic straight stitch needle conversion allows you to sew perfect straight stitch every time. This machine is so strong it can sew denim with ease. It can sew 2 layers, four layers, and even 8 layers of denim. With the 5-year electronic warranty, this machine would be a welcome addition to any sewing room.